Hi, this is Mitchell with BrainWire. Today I'd like to show you our tilt switch sensor module. This sensor module is a perfect addition to movement-oriented projects. It reacts sensitively to movements, closing the circuit when it's tilted to either side. The activation of this module depends on the degree of inclination and the applied force. This makes it an exceptional choice for projects that require accurate tilt detection. A standout feature of this module is its sensitivity to inclination. When the module is tilted, a ball inside momentarily short circuits the contacts at either side, providing a distinctive, responsive mechanism. Despite its unique capabilities, the KY020 is compatible with a wide range of microcontrollers. Whether you're working with an Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or ESP32, this module will seamlessly integrate into your system. It operates at a voltage range of 3.3 volts to 5 volts DC. The output type is digital. The effective angle of this module is 35 degrees. It consists of a 10 kilo ohm resistor, a magnetic ball switch, and 3 male header pins. Its dimensions are 19 millimeters by 16 millimeters by 7 millimeters thick. Please note this module does not measure the tilt angle. Connecting the KY020 to your system is simple and straightforward. You want to connect the module's power input and ground to plus 5 volts and ground respectively on your microcontroller. The signal pin can be connected to a digital input pin on your Arduino or other microcontroller. BrainWire is dedicated to providing superior customer service and fast shipping. We aim to ensure that your components arrive promptly and in pristine condition. Remember, BrainWire is here to supercharge your projects. For more information, visit our website at www.brainwire.io. Stay tuned for more product introductions and DIY tips from BrainWire.